surgery, you can cover such a vast subject in the videos. Very nicely it is covered. Like Rohan Khandelwal sir covers everything. Means coming from the basics general surgery till the highest level like plastic surgery and all the super specialty videos also. He has covered it very nicely. So you can go through those videos. And OBG, I think ma'am's note is irreplaceable. Means like you can trust on those notes and you can go to any exam, like it may be INICET or NEET or anything, and those notes will really be very helpful for you. And the notes are prepared so nicely, so concise. Sakshi Arora ma'am is really awesome. It's like you can trust her so much with her notes. Marrow was really the primary source for preparation. During my internship days, I used nothing much than Marrow. It's like I had only the primary source as Marrow only, you can say it. Hi everyone, this is Ritesh Kumar Mishra. I secured rank 5 in INICET 2020. I am from AIIMS Bhubaneswar and I am intern batch. I am continuing internship now. During these hard COVID times when we are posted in the COVID ward duty, in the screening duties, those times while wearing PPEs also we used to solve Marrow, QBank. It helped us as an online link when every classes were closed. At that time, Marrow came as a savior type, you can say it. Like and it helped me really in my preparation. Like you can solve QBank anywhere, any place. It will be really very awesome. It's like you will feel so nice. Solving questions, going through the answers. If you can see answers also, it is okay. You can see the questions. Later on, you can bookmark whatever you want to read, and you can read the bookmarks later, and you can revise it. In the ending moments, like before the exams, I used to solve those bookmark questions only, and those bookmarks were really very helpful because those are the points which you will make mistake repeatedly. And if you solve those bookmarks before the exams, it will boost your confidence level surely. So my basic preparation strategy was in the first initial from the 6th semester, I used to make notes. From 6th till 9th, I studied for the exams only, the current exams, like whatever exams I am giving for the colleges exam, like half yearly, means like semester exams, you can say, semester exams and the profs. For those only I studied, and I am a quizzer also, like I like to attend quizzes so much. So before the quiz also, at least we can go through those notes and we can attend quizzes. So those things also really helped me a lot. And after that, when I came into internship, I had practiced very less of questions. In the internship, the Marrow helped me a lot in this. Like the QBanks in the Marrow were really very awesome. Means like you can solve QBank anywhere. These things I can say at any time. Means like wherever you will be feeling bored or you will be in a very difficult position and you will not be in a mood to study anything, that time QBank will be your rescue. So you can solve the QBanks effectively, and you can bookmark the questions and review it later. That was my basic strategy. And before the exams, I used to, means like I will go through those notes only, means like flip the pages through it and see whatever topics which I have missed or which I have been repeatedly making wrong in the exams. Those topics only I used to study, and whatever the volatile subjects were there, volatile parts were there in the subject, those parts I used to study. I used to focus more before the exams. Many and images also. You can see those images, whatever are there, in a quick manner in the notes. Once again, I would really like to thank Marrow for my preparation journey. It could not have been so successful without the help of Marrow. Thanks a lot. The way how I prepared was like our internship in our college is so hectic. So during the internship time, starting from the basics is so difficult. I knew that from earlier. Our seniors, they always used to say that internship you can't, means like you will not get so much time to study and all. So from the basic days only, from the first year, the academics in our college in Bhubaneswar is really very good. The teachers, they focus on us so much. Like we are a batch of 100 and they will be knowing us by our names like that. And they will be really talking to us always, and they will teach also very nicely in the classes. There will be exams based on MCQ type questions like that, and always the basics they have made it so nice, like in the first year, second year, third year. And clinicals also, we used to go postings. The postings are really very helpful during this. Now the exams patterns are changing and the pattern is becoming more and more of clinical. So the more you attend the clinical postings, the better it will be. Like if you see a case, then you'll never forget about the case, like management हो गया part, and if you like investigations or what was the clinical presentation, when you see in the question you will directly mark the answer, and you won't have to waste your time about that. Many questions like some chest tube drain, urine Foley's catheter, something like means Foley's bag, those things you will be doing it in your internship and you will be knowing it. So those part you will learn in the clinical postings very well. So clinical posting you should attend, and internship you should do very nicely, like keep a close eye on everything, like not doing only type of clerical work and thinking that it is useless. Keeping your eye what is going on of the patients, what workup is going on, how the professor when he comes in the round, what he will discusses about the case. Those things are really very helpful during the exams, like during appearing for the exams. For those who are preparing for NEET 2020 or any other exams coming in the future, like near future, maybe you take for NEET 2020. In NEET 2020, like you have 3 months for now. So it will be better if you have your own notes. Go on through those notes only, keep on revising through it, and give tests as tests as you give. You'll be able to manage time very effectively, and you will be able to know which are the important topics which come in the exam regularly. So, and going back, doing the reverse study, like which questions I got correct and which questions, wrong, correct questions you can focus on later, but the wrong questions which you have made and which questions which you guessed it, that guess option is also very important. The questions you have guessed and the questions you have made wrong. You can go on and look to those topics and do a reverse study. You can go and study those related topics, and those will be really helpful for the exams. For those who are in the internship, and if they have their basics clear and they have made their notes or something like that, then you should go for the QBank and test series mostly, because it will be very helpful. QBanks, you should solve QBanks as many times. Marathon also helps a lot. Like you will have a target before you that I should reach this much, like 5 modules per day is minimum basic type. And you should, if you keep doing this, it will become a habit for you, and you'll start solving modules every day. And those modules are really very helpful. Those who are in the final years, I would better advise them to study for the final year subjects very nicely, because the final year subjects are very asked for in these exams, because the cases the questions are becoming more sort of clinical now. And if you cover your clinicals well, you can make your videos from the beginning of the year, and after that revise those notes for the exam. It will help for your institute exams also, your college exams also, and for the PG preparation also. So it will be better for you to go through the videos, and whenever you are getting time, whenever you are you are busy, you are not feeling to study anymore, then you can scroll onto the QBank and solve the QBanks very nicely. Those will be a good, you will get motivated, and you will get that time won't be wasted for you. For the juniors, I want to say, if you are in the 4th semester or 5th semester, like 3rd year students, then you should try making your own notes by seeing those videos. The basic concepts, you should always get it cleared. If you are clear with your basics, then you can build any foundation. Foundation is strong, you can build any type of building on it. You can go on, many things are factual also, you can remember the factual things relating to the basics also. And after that you can solve QBank also, and tests, you can appear the tests, and those will be very easy for you after that. Apart from medicine, like in Marrow, the OBG videos, the surgery videos, and you can say these two were really very good. And you should, I think everyone who has time, they should go through the lectures very nicely.